Yeah, it's cold outside. It's time to grill some hot dogs. Snowing, cold. What's the temperature today? 10?
I think it got to 23.
23?
Yeah, it was a heat wave.
Heat wave at 23. But we're gonna grill some hot dogs today. Turn the baby on, grill. We're gonna set it to medium and start. Preheat. We're using Ballpark. I don't know if it's the best ones to use, but
That's usually the ones we try to get. I think they taste the best.
okay, we're gonna try them out, see how it tastes. Grill some hot dogs in the winter. It's gonna be awesome. Here we go. So how many do you want?
2.
2 for you. 1 for Peyton.
Mm-hmm.
And 4 for El Rico. And there's 1 left, so we might as well just cook it.
Yeah.
All right. 2, 4, 6, 8 hot dogs. Here we go. That's gonna be good in the winter. Grilled hot dogs in the winter. That sounds awesome. All right, we've not done the hot dogs on here yet, so we're gonna check them and flip them. Ooh, that looks really good. Oh, and it's been about 2 minutes.
And we got grill marks on a hot dog in the winter.
In the winter, look at these grill marks. Look at that. Oh, that's fancy, fancy. And they're really fat. Like you really grilled them. Here we go again. We went about 2 minutes. Grill marks. They look really good. So I'm thinking another 2 minutes, and we're going to be right there, looking at the perfect grilled hot dogs during winter. This is so awesome. Look at the snow. Have you seen the snow outside?
It won't go away.
And I'm gonna say it was 10 degrees today because I didn't go out. She's saying it's 23.
Yes, you did.
When did I go out? Oh, I had to go get you some stuff at the store. I forgot. It felt like it was -10 to me. We're almost there. Cooking the perfect grilled winter dog on the NINJA Foodi indoor grill. This is awesome. This is one of the best products we've ever bought. I'm glad you could join us. Amazing time to grill indoors. It's been 4 minutes. Yeah, still go. Because it's been 4 minutes.
Oh,
I think they're done.
they're splitting.
That means they're done. This is perfect. Medium, 4 minutes,
Wow.
perfectly grilled hot
That
dogs.
is impressive.
That's amazing, right? That looks really good.
And we didn't have to stand outside in the freezing
Look.
cold.
At the grill marks. Both sides. That one, I don't know. Looking good. Oh no, that's a little slippery sucker right there.
And we don't eat bread because we're
Carnivore.
carnivore, so.
Well, we're keto now, but.
Well, we do more carnivore than keto. But
All right, just shut that off. You're good to go. Throw that in the sink. And that's everybody's hot dogs for tonight. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye. Are you going to eat it with your Grey Poupon?
Yes, Grey Poupon! Grey Poupon, I can't wait. I'm super excited about Grey Poupon.
Bye.